Your real life is not in your current situation.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze.